In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Google Keep. Whether you've just made a small typo or accidentally deleted an entire note, I'll show you what you can and can't reverse in Keep, and how to act quickly so you don't lose your work. Let's start with undoing while you're actively editing a note on a computer. If you're on the web, the fastest way to reverse your most recent changes with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, press Command+Z. This works great for things like removing the last sentence you typed, bringing back text you just highlighted and deleted, or reversing a quick formatting tweak. The key detail is timing. Undo only works while the note is open and you're still in the same editing session. Google Keep doesn't offer a permanent version history like Google Docs, so once you close that note or navigate away, you can't roll back to earlier versions of what you typed. If you realize you made a mistake, use the shortcut right away before leaving the note. Now, what if the entire note is gone because you deleted it by accident? In that case, you're not using the in-note undo. Instead, you're restoring the note from trash. Open Google Keep, then open the main menu, the three horizontal lines in the corner. Choose Trash. You'll see notes you've recently removed. Find the one you want, open it if you need to confirm it's the right one, and select Restore. The note will return to your main notes list just as it was before deletion. There is a time limit here. Items stay in trash for 7 days. After that, they're permanently removed and can't be brought back, so it's worth checking trash as soon as you notice something missing. A couple of important limitations to keep in mind. Undo is session-based in Keep. If you close the note or the app before you use undo, you typically won't be able to bring back that lost text. Think of undo as a quick back button that only works while you're still on the same screen. And when it comes to deleted notes, trash is your safety net, but only for a week. So, to recap, use Ctrl+Z on Windows or Linux or Command+Z on Mac while the note is open to reverse recent edits. If an entire note was deleted, head to the menu, open trash, and restore it within 7 days. Act promptly, and you'll save yourself a lot of retyping.